The NCBI website, where we downloaded the genome sequence. You can also use this website to download the annotation, the location of the genes in the genome sequence. How do you do this? Well, you do exactly the same thing. You go to Send to, File, but instead of FASTA, you ask for a GFF3 file. You click Create File, and that will download a GFF3 file to the Downloads folder in your computer. When you open the GFF3 file with Notepad, it will almost look like this. So when you download it from NCBI, what you need to do is open it in Notepad and here comment out this line. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th line in the file. So put in front of that line these 2 hashtags. So, and once you have done this, save it. And then you can import the annotation into IGV. So again, File, Load from File, and then you load this GFF3 file, but after you commented out the 6th line. And I will unzoom a bit. So the GFF3 file will pop up here in your IGV, and as you can see, it will show you the location and the names of the genes, which can be very helpful if you have a favorite gene that you want to look at. So if you have a favorite gene that you want to look at, you can put its name here. So for instance, RCSC, and then you will focus on that gene in your visualization. You can put gene names here, you can also put locations here. In one of the last slides that you have, you're asked to zoom in to this location. So this is what we will do now. So you copy the location from the slides and you put it here and you click Go, and then you will focus on this part of the E. coli genome. And then you will see here, focus on this position here, you will see here a number of reads. I don't know if you can see them so well. A number of reads with colored Gs in the chip sample. And one of them also has a colored A. Oh, it's hard to see here in my screen. So the number of here, G's, that are colored. I'm going to click the first read that has a colored G in the chip sample, and you see that when you click a read, you get more information about it. So you can see how long it is, you can see the mapping quality, you can see where it was matched to the genome. Yeah, it's mapped to the plus strand in this location. You can see the cigar string, and you can see this here. That's the number of mismatches. So in the location where in the position where a lot of colored G's appear, you can also click here this track, which is called the coverage track. So when you click the coverage track, you also get more information. Of course, you cannot look at the whole genome. You will typically focus on your favorite genes to see what is happening there.